Hello everyone, welcome to Anbalaya. We shall discuss 2021 question paper, class 6th, section 3, language. Read the following passage and answer the questions 76 to 78 by choosing the most appropriate option. The passage: Zeus and Prometheus. From the very first, humans had trouble with the Greek gods. Most gods thought of humans as toys. But gods made friends with the humans. One of those gods was Prometheus. The first people created by the gods lived happily together. They thought the gods were wonderful, but their children were not as grateful or as content. The children argued among themselves and sometimes even argued with gods. Zeus was very disappointed at mankind. He decided to punish mankind by depriving them of a very important tool, fire. Prometheus felt sorry for his human friends. Fire was important for many things such as heat and cooking. Prometheus stole a lightning bolt from Zeus and gave it to mankind. That's when man discovered fire. Zeus was furious as Prometheus had defied Zeus. He ordered Prometheus be chained to a rock as punishment for stealing his lightning bolt and for going behind his back to help the humans. To make Prometheus even more miserable, Zeus sent storms to beat angry waves against Prometheus. Helplessly chained to his rock, Zeus made the sun shine really brightly now and then to burn his skin. It was Hercules who finally released the helpless god from his chains. Based on this passage, question 76. Which of the following statements is true about Zeus and Prometheus? Most Greek gods saw humans as a means of their entertainment. For the Greek gods, the humans are a mean of entertainment. Yes, because they considered humans as toys, which means for them humans are as means of entertainment. So this first statement is true. Prometheus was chained to a rock as he was a god. Was this true? He was chained to rock because it was a punishment given to Prometheus for stealing lightning bolt from Zeus. So this statement is not true. Zeus was an unforgiving god who did not like to be disobeyed. Yes, Zeus did not forgive Prometheus. That is why Zeus punished him very badly. Hercules emerged as the savior of Prometheus. Yes, it was Hercules who finally released the helpless god. So, which among the following is not true? Second option, Prometheus was chained to a rock as he was a god. 77. What is the meaning of the underlined word? Prometheus had defied Zeus. Defied meaning refused to obey. Prometheus refused to obey Zeus. Let us check which among the following is the meaning of this sentence. Prometheus had worshipped Zeus all his life? No. Prometheus had defamed Zeus? No. Prometheus detested Zeus for his attitude. Detested means disliked. Prometheus had disregarded the authority of Zeus. Disregarded means disobeying the authority, the power of Zeus. Yes, option 4 is the correct. Prometheus had defied Zeus, the same meaning. Prometheus had disregarded the authority of Zeus. 78. Why was Zeus angry and disappointed at humans? Because they were fighting with each other. That is why he was angry. Option A, they kept asking him for fire. No, humans did not ask for fire. The humans misused his lightning bolt. No. The humans were quarrelsome, which means they were fighting among each other and didn't respect the gods. The humans were not intelligent enough to discover fire. Why was Zeus angry and disappointed at humans? Option 3, the humans were quarrelsome and did not respect the gods. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate option. 79. The news is all dash the internet. Preposition, correct preposition we have to fill. The news is all over the internet. 80. There was no one else in the room dash Colin. Only Colin was there in the room. So there was no one else in the room except Colin. Accept means taking, agreeing. That is the meaning of accept. Accept, these are all incorrect. So the correct answer is there was no one else in the room except Colin. 81. We studied about dash Roman Empire in school. We studied about the Roman Empire in the school. The only one of its kind, so we put the before Roman Empire. Rearrange the following words or phrases to make meaningful sentences. Choose the correct sequence. 82. I, immediately, salary, my, want. The correct form is I want my salary immediately. I, A, want, E, my, D, salary, C, immediately, B. So, AED, option 2. 83. The sun, you, off, must stay out. You must stay out of the sun. You, B, must, D, stay out, E, off, C, the sun, A, B, D, E, C, A. Option 3. 84. Choose the correct spelling. Apartment, they are asking us to choose the correct spelling of apartment. A-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T, apartment. Option 3. 85. Today is the dash day of my life. Choose the correct adjective. The rule of adjective. After the, we must use superlative degree. Superlative degree is most important. More important is comparative degree. Important, positive degree. So, today is the most important day of my life. 86. Poets are known to fly in their thoughts. Fly means, you know what's a fly? So, which option is the meaning of to fly? Soar, S-O-R-E, soar. This is a sore throat, okay? Soar. This is a kind of taste. This is sure. S-O-A-R means to fly high. Soar. Poets are known to soar in their thoughts. Known to soar in their thoughts. So the option is option 3. 87. Do as directed. There are some diseases that are inherited. Identify the kind of noun. They have given option 1. Diseases is a proper noun. No, proper noun means a particular name. Diseases is not a particular name. Diseases is an abstract noun. Abstract noun denotes a quality or a state. So this is not a quality or a state. So abstract noun is wrong. Diseases is a collective noun. No, it doesn't denote a collection. Diseases is a common noun. Yes, option 4 is correct. Diseases is a common noun. It's a common name for many diseases, many different type of diseases. So diseases denotes it's a common noun. 88. After school, you and dash must discuss a few things. Choose the correct pronoun. After school, you and I. That is the correct apt answer. After school, you and I must discuss a few things. 89. It is quite warm. Use a question tag. The sentence is positive, so the tag must be negative. The auxiliary verb in the sentence is is. So, is plus not, isn't it. You have to use the pronoun also. So isn't it is the correct question tag. It's quite warm, isn't it? Option 3. 9090. Leave your bag at the gate. Identify the type of sentence. Leave your bag at the gate is an order. Order, request, command, warning, advice all comes under imperative sentence. Option 1, imperative. 91. Near the equator, the sun dash greater quantities of water. This is a universal truth. It happens regularly. So choose the correct form of verb. We have to choose simple present tense. So the answer is verb plus s, simple present form. The subject is singular. So verb plus s. Near the equator, the sun evaporates greater quantities of water. Question number 92. There were several dash at the conference. We have to use plural form. So plural form of women is W-O-M-E-N. This is women. 92. There were several women at the conference. Option A. Option 1 is the correct answer. 93. To beat around the bush means. This is a kind of idioms and phrases. The topic covered as idioms and phrases. To beat around the bush means not saying something straight. Okay. So option 2. To avoid saying something because it is uncomfortable. 94. My father is a bookworm. He dash books to films and sports. Actually, he likes books more than films and sports. So likes, the meaning, prefers. My father is a bookworm. He prefers books to films and sports. 95. Choose the most appropriate option. Which of the following options is the meaning of the word exhausted? Exhausted means very tired. Option 4. 96. A confectioner is a person, one who sells sweets. Okay, one who sells sweets, confectioner. 97. The captain dash along with the players. The captain was present along with the players. 98. Choose the word that means opposite of mortal. Opposite of mortal is immortal. Immortal. Second one, I-M-M-O-R-T-A-L, immortal. 99. A dash of thieves was caught by the police. This is a collective noun for thieves, pack or gang. You can even say gang, but here it is given pack. So a pack of thieves was caught by the police. This is swarm, denotes collection of bees, swarm of bees, team of players, a batch of students. So pack of thieves was caught by the police. 100. It has become his habit to dash do his homework and then copy it from others. Actually, he doesn't do the homework and he copies from the others. So it has become his habit to never do his homework and then copy it from others. Option 4 is the correct answer. Thanks for listening. Watch more videos for more learning. Thank you, children.